Kambuni ya motungata ma thimu Safaricom rungu rwa mutaratara wa Safaricom Foundation niranire guthiururuka kaunti ciothe 47 kuruguria tafarira cia uthii wa nambere na guteithiriria aria mahatiriirio ni ng'aragu. Akiaria hindi ya gũkũngũĩra mĩaka 20 kuma riria mutaratara uyu warugũririo, mũrũgamĩrĩri munene wa kambuni ĩno Peter Ndegwa augite Safaricom Foundation ni hotorete guteithia andu matanyihiire milioni 8 na gukinyaniria tafarira itanyihiire ngirinya cia ukuria miena ngurani ya bururi.
We are launching the celebration, the start of the celebration of Safaricom Foundation turning 20. We are very happy about the work that Safaricom Foundation has done. So it's about going for all employees of Safaricom from across the country, going to visit hospitals like I'm visiting Kenyatta National Hospital today, going to visit children homes, going to visit schools, as a way of giving back to society. Not just for the sake of it, just because you want to be nice, to be able to uplift society so that society can be better. And it's actually a lot more fulfilling in life to give back to the society and to say thank you to the lives that we lead every day. So for me, it's really about caring and doing more. And for Safaricom, it's about living our purpose of transforming lives, which is what philanthropy means for Safaricom, going beyond profits and so on and really impact.